Hi guys, it's Mills here. Today's Environment Day and I'm teaming up with Samsung Mobile and Furry Little Peach to come up with a few environmentally friendly solutions. So, my first idea is to create this cool bucket hat. It's made entirely of solar panels and can recharge your phone or tablet. You know your battery lasts longer when you charge it less often? So, let's create the unplug, a charger that unplugs itself when charging is complete. Phone is cold, it drains battery faster, so my third idea is to design an insulated puffer jacket for your phone to keep it warm and charged in winter, made from recycled fabric of course. Thank you guys so much. Let me know if you liked my ideas and I'd love to see yours. Thank you so much. Happy Environment Day.